We are Gupta Permold Corporation. We manufacture aluminum engineered components and we supply them to the OEM predominantly in North America. Our principal products are permanent mold aluminum castings, CNC machining, and aluminum extrusions. So the challenges and goals that we set for the robotic project was the continued challenge we had with labor force, both skill-wise and turnover.
You know, it was a lot of work daily. It was just a lot of extra grinding, flashing. We just don't have enough manpower on all shifts just to carry that alone by itself.
I think PushCore and Premier did a phenomenal job of supporting us through this whole project, from the initial planning of the cell and the work area in terms of how much room it was going to take, what pieces of equipment would be where.
So it's a lot better with the robotic grinding. So we're able to meet demands is the main thing. So we run it all 3 shifts and the thing runs nonstop and it just keeps loading up.
This project has changed this company. Our productivity has probably increased 60–70% with the robotic system in mind. We're getting almost twice as many parts done per shift as we were manually. They're coming out better and it's much more reliable too, scheduling wise, because the robot doesn't call off per se. So we're just thrilled.
Gupta knew what they needed. PushCore knew what equipment we needed to do this grinding, so they helped us spec that out on the front end. They helped us kind of couple the whole solution together.
I think for us, the best thing about the robotic would be, I think, the quality. Pretty stable, consistent, customer loves it. You know, once you got that dialed in, it just goes.
Having a system integrator like Premier was 100% facilitated the entire project. I mean, the amount of engineering resources it takes to pull it off in a timely fashion is not something that I think we could handle. So hire a professional, hire an expert, get it done right, focus on what you do best.
Anytime there's problems, usually I'm the one that's getting a call, and to know that I have a partner like PushCore to rely on to help me with their piece of the puzzle is really comforting.
I would absolutely work with Premier and PushCore on future automation initiatives. I feel like we've gotten to know the teams at both companies fairly well. We love working with companies who really know their craft and their trade and their technology. And I feel like these 2 companies do that.